Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect on Photoshop. First, drag your image to Photoshop. Then click on Text and type your text. And rescale it by press Ctrl T. Then make a copy of your image by press Ctrl J. Then drag it above. Then go to Select and click on Subject. Now click on Mask. Then click on your text and make a copy of it by press Ctrl J. Then drag it above. Now go to Layer Style and choose Stroke. Now follow this settings. And click OK. Now reduce its fill to 0. Now click on your text and press Ctrl, and click on the other text layer. Then click on this button to create a link between these two texts. Now click on the second text and go to Layer Style. Then click on Drop Shadow and follow this setting. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.